We are all strapped up with our safety equipment ready to go. Got Lana there with her little GoPro. She doesn't even know how to use that thing.
So you going first, yeah?
I'm going first.
No, we
Whoa!
Oh, okay.
You know what this looks like? You know, like the games where you have these like cool boots and stuff. I don't know if you guys know Ratchet and Clank, like where you have them.
Yeah, they have.
That's what it looks like.
What's gonna happen is you pulling me out. You're gonna be in the front pulling us out.
Yeah.
We call that Superman position. All you need to do is when in the water, lay flat on your stomach, legs dead straight behind
Whoa.
you. In front of you.
And I'm gonna be doing that with this. I'm gonna be like swimming you guys along.
Basically, I'll give you the power. You're directing me. I don't have steering.
Into a mermaid.
Oh my god.
So heavy. Okay. Just hold your breath for about 2 minutes because you go straight to the bottom. Yeah?
What?
Yeah.
Ready?
So, hold your breath. Jump. I'm just joking. You don't sink. I was just joking, brother. You don't go to the bottom.
He's up in there. Woo! Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness, he's gonna fall backwards. Oh man. Whoa. He's about to start again, guys.
Okay, stand up.
I'm pretty nervous about this. Oh my god. This is so cool.
You got this, you got this. Yes. Yes, you got it. Don't even think about it. Woo! That was good. You got this. No, you don't. Alright, you know what? That was great.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Not again.